Hey everybody, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have a very special unboxing for our Funko Pop collection. First, thank you to Hobby Stock for sending us our Funko Pop right here today, and please follow them on their links right here, Facebook, Instagram, and their website right there, hobbystock.com. Now let's continue with our unboxing. So as you can see here, we have the Jonathan Davis Pop Rocks vinyl Funko Pop figure right here. So as you can also see, the good folks at Hobby Stock gave us a free Funko Pop protector right here with their brand right there. So thank you guys again for sending us this Funko Pop figure today and for gracing us with Mr. Jonathan Davis's presence right here. So let us see what we have on our box right here. So there you go with the branding, Pop Rocks right there, and the name Jonathan Davis number 242, a mug shot of him right there. Of course, you can already see the glimpse of our figure right there. On the sides, that's a full shot of him right there, and I think that's his logo, JD, right there, and still him and his name right there. Other side, his name, and there you go. So let us get Mr. Jonathan Davis out of the box. So there we go with our Jonathan Davis Pop Rocks vinyl Funko Pop figure right here. So Jonathan Davis is the frontman of the band KORN. The band KORN is an American new metal band from Bakersfield, Cali, formed in 1993, and they are famous for doing albums like this one, which is self-titled, and this one, also this one, this one, and many more albums on their roster of studio albums. Their most recent work, the album that they are working on right now, 2021, is the album Requiem. They have just recently released a video and a single titled Start the Healing. So I'll link those information on our video description if you want to check the band out and what they have been up to this year and what they will be doing on the road to releasing the album Requiem on February of next year, 2022. So I will leave the links on our video description. So now let us see Mr. Davis right here, up close and personal. That's the usual pose for Jonathan Davis right here, the front man of KORN. So you see the iconic hair right there. That's how his hair have been. Of course, they have been other styles like adding extensions and stuff like that, but in general, this is how Jonathan Davis's hair looks ever since. And of course, the brow piercing right there. As far as I can remember, Jonathan have those brow piercings right there ever since as well. So Jonathan Davis is rocking a purple Adidas jacket and pants right here. Perfect. Although I'm not so sure why we only have two stripes right there, because Adidas, you know, the brand represents the brand by three stripes, right? So I'm not sure what happened here, because we only have two stripes. And as you can see, that's a classic look for an Adidas shoe right there. So ever since Jonathan Davis wears Adidas, may it be pants, shirts, as some of you may have already know, they also have a song of the same name from the album Life is Peachy, right? Adidas, the brand, is always present in the band ever since.
Perfect.
So I'm not sure what happened. Maybe it's a trademark issue or whatever. Much like the ones where Jordan brands have been questioned in Funko Pops, maybe we have the same case right here. So like I mentioned, that is an iconic Adidas shoe, white and purple, being rocked by Mr. Jonathan Davis right here. Of course, the hands are joined in the middle, really peaceful, really calm. On the side, right there, on the other side, that is really a nice look. I like the simplicity of the design, and just one look on this vinyl Funko Pop right here, you already know that it is KORN's frontman, Jonathan Davis. Great details on the shoe, on the pants. See the texture right there. Same on the jacket. It's like scales, right? On the back, more of Jonathan Davis's hair right there, and the apparel he is rocking right there from Adidas. That's the bottom of the shoe. And there we go. That is Mr. Jonathan Davis right there for our Pop Rocks vinyl Funko Pop for today. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked our very quick video right here for our unboxing of the Jonathan Davis Pop Rocks vinyl Funko Pop figure right there. This is really an iconic look for the frontman of KORN right there, and I really like it. Hope they make more, maybe somewhere down the road, more figures of the band, maybe a Fieldy, Monkey, or Head. So hopefully this trend continues and those figures see the light of day. So thank you again to Hobby Stock for sending us our vinyl Funko Pop figure right here. This really kicks ass and we like it down here. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our vinyl Funko Pop Rocks for today, which is Mr. Jonathan Davis from the band KORN. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another Funko Pop review and our other normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now I'll catch you guys on the next one.